What if I told you that you don't need a gym to achieve your fitness goals? In just a few minutes a day, you can build a workout routine at home that's just as effective, if not more, than going to the gym. Stick around, and I'll show you how to create a powerful home workout routine that fits your lifestyle and gets results. Welcome to the Upliftube channel. Today we're breaking down everything you need to know to build an effective home workout routine. Here's what we'll cover. First, we'll discuss the benefits of working out at home and what you need to get started. Next, we'll guide you through creating a personalized workout plan that targets all major muscle groups. Finally, we'll share tips on staying motivated and consistent with your routine to achieve long-term success. Grab a notebook, get ready to take control of your fitness, and let's dive into how you can build the perfect workout routine right at home. Stop stressing about gym memberships. You can crush your fitness goals right at home. Let's dive in. Working out at home means no commute, no costly memberships, and total flexibility. You can exercise anytime, anywhere, and save both time and money. To get started, all you need is some basic equipment like a yoga mat, dumbbells, or resistance bands. Even your own body weight works wonders. Now, let's create your personalized workout plan. Target all major muscle groups with a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Start simple and build up as you go. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it, stay motivated, and celebrate your progress. You've got this. Now that we've covered why home workouts are so effective and what you'll need to get started, let's move on to building your personalized workout plan. In the next section, we'll create a routine that targets all your major muscle groups and helps you achieve your fitness goals. Before diving into your personalized workout plan, it's crucial to assess your current fitness level. Understanding where you stand will help you create a routine that's both challenging and achievable. First, take note of your strength and endurance. Can you do push-ups, sit-ups, and squats? How many can you complete in one go? Record these numbers. They'll serve as a benchmark for your progress. Next, evaluate your flexibility. How far can you reach when you bend forward? Can you touch your toes? Flexibility is key to preventing injuries and improving your overall performance. Finally, consider your cardiovascular fitness. How long can you jog or run without feeling overly fatigued? Try a simple test. See how long it takes you to walk or run a mile and record your time. By assessing these aspects, you'll have a clear understanding of your starting point. This will not only help you set realistic goals, but also keep you motivated as you see improvements over time. Now let's move forward and start building your personalized workout plan, tailored just for you. Now that you have assessed your fitness level, it's time to set clear goals for your workout routine. Having well-defined goals will give you direction and purpose, making it easier to stay on track and stay motivated. The best way to set effective goals is by using the SMART criteria. First, make your goals specific. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," specify what you want to achieve, like, "I want to build upper body strength." Next, ensure your goals are measurable. This means you should be able to track your progress. For instance, "I want to increase my push-ups from 10 to 20. Your goals should also be achievable. Set targets that are challenging yet within your reach. If you're new to working out, aiming to run a marathon in a month may not be realistic. Relevance is crucial. Your goals should align with your personal desires and lifestyle. If you enjoy running, a goal to improve your running endurance will keep you more engaged. Finally, your goals should be time-bound. Set a deadline to achieve your goals, like, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months." This adds a sense of urgency and helps you stay committed. By setting SMART goals, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow, making your fitness journey more structured and rewarding. Remember, every small step counts towards your larger objective. Let's move on to creating a workout plan that aligns with these goals and keeps you on the path to success. Now that you have set clear and achievable goals, it's time to plan your workout routine. A well-structured routine will help you stay consistent and make steady progress towards your fitness objectives. For beginners, starting with full body workouts is highly recommended. These workouts target multiple muscle groups and help build a solid foundation. Exercises like squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, and burpees are excellent choices. You can perform these exercises in a circuit, doing each one for a set amount of time or repetitions before moving on to the next. As you become more comfortable and build strength, you can transition to split workouts. Split routines focus on different muscle groups each day, allowing more targeted training and recovery. For example, you could dedicate one day to upper body exercises, another to lower body workouts, and a third day to core exercises. This approach helps in giving each muscle group enough time to recover while maintaining a balanced workout schedule. Remember, the key to a successful workout plan is consistency and variation. Keep challenging yourself and adjust your routine as you progress. With a well-planned routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Up next, we will discuss how to track your progress and stay motivated throughout your fitness journey. Now that you have a well-structured workout plan, the next step is to determine how often you should work out and the ideal duration of each session. This will vary based on your fitness goals and current fitness level. For general fitness and health, working out 3-5 times per week is a great starting point. If you're a beginner, start with 3 sessions per week and gradually increase the frequency as your endurance and strength improve. For those aiming for significant muscle gain or weight loss, 5 sessions per week can be more effective. When it comes to the duration of your workouts, quality is more important than quantity. Effective workouts can be as short as 20-30 minutes, especially if you're doing high-intensity interval training, HIIT, or circuit training. These types of workouts maximize calorie burn and muscle engagement in a shorter period. Longer sessions, ranging from 45 to 60 minutes, are also beneficial, particularly if you're focusing on strength training or endurance exercises. But remember, it's crucial to listen to your body and avoid overtraining. Consistency is key. Whether you choose shorter, more frequent sessions or longer, less frequent ones, the most important thing is to stick to your routine and make it a regular part of your lifestyle. Up next, we will discuss how to track your progress and stay motivated throughout your fitness journey. Now that you have all the foundational elements in place, let's put it all together with a sample workout routine that you can follow. This routine includes a warm-up, a main workout, and a cool-down/stretching session to ensure you're getting a well-rounded exercise experience. Let's start with a 5-minute warm-up. You can begin with some light cardio to get your heart rate up. Try jogging in place, jumping jacks, or a brisk walk. Follow that with some dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists to prepare your muscles for the workout ahead. For the main workout, we'll focus on a balanced mix of exercises that target different muscle groups. Here's a simple circuit you can try. 1. Perform each exercise back-to-back with minimal rest in between. Once you've completed one set of each exercise, take a 1-2 minute break, then repeat the circuit 2 more times. To finish your workout, let's cool down and stretch. Spend about 5-10 minutes doing static stretches to help your muscles recover and improve flexibility. Focus on major muscle groups like your hamstrings, quadriceps, calves, chest, and shoulders. Hold each stretch for 20-30 seconds and remember to breathe deeply. By incorporating this routine into your weekly schedule, you'll be setting yourself up for success and making great strides towards your fitness goals. Remember, the key is consistency and making sure to listen to your body. Keep pushing forward, and you'll see the results in no time. With your personalized workout plan in hand, you're almost ready to start your fitness journey at home. But before you begin, let's talk about how to stay motivated and consistent, because that's the key to seeing real results. Staying motivated can be challenging, especially when you're working out alone. One way to keep your spirits high is to set short-term milestones in addition to your long-term goals. Celebrate these small victories to maintain your enthusiasm. Another effective strategy is to create a workout playlist filled with your favorite high-energy songs. Music has the power to elevate your mood and push you through those tough moments when you feel like giving up. Accountability can also play a crucial role in staying consistent. Consider joining online fitness communities or finding a virtual workout buddy to share your progress and keep each other motivated. Lastly, remember to be kind to yourself. There will be days when you might not feel like working out, and that's okay. Listen to your body and allow yourself to rest when needed. The key is to get back on track and keep moving forward. By incorporating these tips, you'll be better equipped to stay motivated and consistent on your fitness journey. Remember, progress takes time, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Keep pushing, stay dedicated, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Building an effective home workout routine is all about starting where you are, staying consistent, and making adjustments as you progress. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership to achieve your fitness goals. You just need a plan and the motivation to stick with it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness and wellness tips. Now, it's time to put your plan into action and get moving.